If you are a business owner or entrepreneur, this video will show you how isometric illustrations can be used across different industries to solve real tasks. Let's start with equipment and product visualization. Clients usually provide references, model names and technical details. Based on that, I reconstruct object from multiple angles to build accurate proportions and volume. The result is a clean, detailed isometric illustration that works perfectly for websites, catalogs and presentations. The same approach applies to buildings. Using photo or map references, I recreate real-world structures in isometric view, keeping proportions clear and visually appealing. This is useful for real estate, tourism, logistics, or any business that needs to present location clearly. Isometric style is also perfect for maps. You can visualize territories like parks, business areas, resorts, or private locations. Each combines clarity of a map with the visual appeal of illustration, making navigation easier and more engaging. Another powerful use case: instructions and infographics. Complex processes can be turned into simple step-by-step visuals. You can add annotations, measurements, and technical details directly into the illustration. You can also show how a space works from the inside. Clinics, studios, offices. Any business environment can be visualized with rooms, people, and functionality. This makes it easier for clients to understand your service at a glance. For more complex cases, production lines. Isometric illustration help explain manufacturing processes step by step. From rough materials to final products, everything can be clearly visualized. And finally, isometric illustration can also work as art. They can be used in branding, marketing, or even as standalone visual pieces. So, no matter what kind of business you run, this style can help you present your ideas more clearly and professionally. If you'd like to work together, you can find me on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr and Quark. Or feel free to reach out and tell me about your project. I'll be happy to help.